John's All Primary opened again today. And I don't think I've ever felt so many emotions at once. I laughed, I cried, and I was just so proud. Watch to the end and see if you feel the same way.
Okay guys, this is the back to school after Melissa. Say hi to me.
Hi. This is what it looks like. This is everybody who came so far. This is Shani, take it off.
Chigamade.
Our deputy head girl, Shanae Brown. Prefect Ariane. Oh my
God. The school was very affected. It was damaged.
One of the classrooms that were built in the container.
It's gone. It fell over. It looks.
The tank of the bathroom roof fell.
Yes. Look over there. It's so pretty.
These are some of the students.
Yes, grade 4.
Grade 5.
Yes.
Grade 5.
Melissa did
damage the area.
We're walking because we're not supposed to be over here.
Come,
Look at the tree. I mean the branch over there. So
this is the bathroom. One of the bathroom pipe got disconnected.
Yes.
This is the maple pole.
It's gone. It broke. It broke. I saw it when I was here. You can't go around there. But around there, it's not too bad. Where? Yes, someone's building something.
So
the grass. Come on.
Yeah. This is a desk that came out of one of the classrooms.
Yes.
Come. This is one of the classrooms. This.
Oh, the door is gone.
Let's try. This look damaged. Alright, so yeah, some more people are coming. More people is coming. More people is coming. More people is coming. Miss Oya so excited, Miss.
Because I'm happy to see you guys. Happy to know that you came out.
Look at my classroom. My classroom is very destroyed. But got the next grade 6. It is destroyed.
Right.
The fencing gone.
Devotion.
To our blessed hours, to our leaders, great defender, and true wisdom from above. Justice, truth, be ours forever. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love. Teach us to respect for all, sir, response to duties call. Strengthen us for we to cherish. Give us vision lest we perish. Now let's send the Heavenly Father, grant true wisdom from above.
Justice, truth be ours forever. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love.
Some smells around, boys. You will have some debris floating around, but as we go through the day, it will all get away. Alright? Bye, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Be careful on the road. Get home before the rains in. I thank you for coming.